If you're looking to sell a product on Amazon but are having trouble finding that product, this is the video for you because I'm going to share with you the techniques I use to sell products on Amazon. And my name is Pretty. I'm a 6-figure, almost 7-figure seller on Amazon. And I'm going to share with you how I find products and what techniques you can use to find products to sell on Amazon. Now, this isn't any type of magic trick. This is just some ideas, some things that will get your brain moving in the right direction and help you just kind of think of products / actually find a product. So now I also will share with you how I found my first product and how I got started selling on Amazon in this video. So let's get right into it. Let's move on to technique number 1 that will help you find a product. Now, this is crazy, guys. I found so many products with this technique, and you probably already have seen potential product ideas, but just didn't look at it with that Amazon seller mindset. Now, I talk about mindset a lot because I think before I actually was able to really get serious about Amazon, my mindset had to change. The way I view this Amazon opportunity had to change. And I highly recommend that you consume as much content about Amazon and learn as much as possible. And I'm still learning every single day, and learning is going to help you improve and just build and fail forward. So the first thing that I use to find potential product ideas is social media. I use TikTok, Instagram, and even Facebook. So what you want to do is scroll, and maybe you'll get targeted by some products, but there are certain hashtags that you can go on as well. Trending product Amazon. You'll see a lot of people advertise on these hashtags, and you can find potential product ideas from just ads on Instagram, scrolling through TikTok ads. Hashtags on TikTok and Instagram are all great places to look for products. I'm not going to say this is the best product method that you should go with, because a lot of those videos on Instagram and all of those niches are usually by people who are dominating that niche, and maybe that niche is too saturated. But what you want to do is look into the niche and see if there's maybe, there's only 3 or 4 players on Amazon, or maybe no one's on Amazon, and this is the time that you swoop in and find that supplier and get that product on Amazon as soon as possible. So what you really want to do is make sure that you are serious when it comes to, products that you find, because time is literally money when it comes to the Amazon game. You find a product, you need to get moving on trying to figure out a supplier, how to source it, because there's already 10 other people that are working on doing that. So, urgency is key when it comes to finding products. But if you need help finding a product, you guys know I recommend Helium 10. I use Helium 10 pretty much every day to, validate products, to find keywords, to look at my competitors' listings. I literally use Helium 10 every single day. If you want 50% off your first month, or if you want 10% off for a lifetime, there'll be a link down below. If you're a serious seller, highly recommend the 10% off for a lifetime, because you're going to be using this tool every day. It is worth every penny if you're serious. So it does also help the channel if you use the code, so I really appreciate that. But I want to move on to another technique that has helped me find products, and it's crazy. It's actually Amazon.com. Like, going into Amazon, and I have tutorials in depth. I'll link something here, and it's just how I use Amazon to find products, and you can absolutely do the same thing. You can go to the new release list, you can go into each category and just search each product niche and go into the rabbit hole and just kind of find that product by using Amazon's bestseller rating, even like paired listings. There's so many things, so many ways to find product, guys, and I'm just giving you a few. If you're enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up. And the next tip, or the next way that I find products, is going to be through Helium 10 Blackbox. Now, Helium 10 Blackbox is how I found my first product, and I absolutely love Helium 10 for helping me do that. And I've been using them ever since. To build my listing, to optimize it, I've used Helium 10. To spy on my competitors, used Helium 10. So, I'm going to rave about it, give credit where it's due. Helium 10, you guys are awesome. So what I want to do is go on Helium 10, find criteria that fits my budget and what I'm going to allocate to this product, and then act on that and constantly do research on that criteria. Now, I actually shared the criteria I used to find that product, and there's a video right here, and it's just the Helium 10 tutorial of similar criteria that I've used to find a product. Now, I say similar is because I change my criteria up a little bit every time I do research, so I find different results, because you can run through the 10 pages and look at all the results. But what you want to do is do it every single day, multiple times a day, and you get different results. Make sure you're changing the criteria, looking in different categories, really diving deep and putting in a ton of work, because that is how you're going to see results. And I get really excited when I talk about this because, you know, before I used to never really take product research seriously, but as I've become more serious about growing my Amazon business and really scaling it, I'm gonna hit 7 figures 2023 for sure. January, we're gonna hit 7 figures finally. And you know, it hasn't even been that long. So I know I can scale this to 8 figures. I just really have to focus, and I want you to succeed on Amazon. What you have to do is make sure you get serious about it, make sure you're planning everything out, you know, making sure that you're getting things done every single day and really making progress towards your goals. Now, lastly, I like to send text messages out to my friends and demand screenshots of their cart. Like, what do you have on your wish list? What's some stuff that you've ordered in the past or recently? And just me on a daily basis, let's say I go visit a friend or something, I'm looking around and like, hey, you got anything from Amazon lately? And seriously, like, you can find products at your friend's house. And I found a potential product idea just like that. And then you look into the niche by using Helium 10, and I absolutely love their X-ray extension because it helps me sort through the niches, through the market so much easier. So it's awesome. If you haven't checked out my X-ray extension video, check that out because it really is helpful when it comes to using Helium 10's X-ray extension. But seriously, guys, it's all about doing product research, and you want to use these different techniques to find products: social media, Amazon.com, Helium 10, and also just by harassing your friends and making them send you screenshots of what they've bought recently, so you can think of the products and then look into them, see if they're potential ideas. And I'm telling you, more times than often, people are more on trend than the actual Amazon sellers. So ask your mom, ask your dad, ask your brother and sister, and whoever else that is important in your life. The more feedback you get from, you know, social media, from Helium 10, from your friends, the more product ideas. And this is how you can find a product. Do not give up. And I know it's so easy to give up, and I'm never gonna find a product idea, but you never know until you actually look into it and see if it makes sense for you to launch that product. And if you guys want an overview of how to do FBA, I'm gonna make a video and I'll link it here, and it's gonna be how to do FBA and what is required to actually be an Amazon seller. It's just gonna be a quick overview because you can talk about FBA forever, but it's gonna be an overview of what you should be looking forward to as a serious seller. So I'll put that here. But for now, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give me a thumbs up. If it wasn't, let me know why not, and I will answer any questions that you have as well. I will see you in the next video. Have a productive and profitable day.